Ayers, we want more.
We want to redefine our industry.
Just okay isn't okay.
We are the builders of better.
Better experiences.
Better relationships.
Better neighborhoods.
Better lives.
We work where we live.
And we want it to be great.
That starts with you.
It starts with you.
Do you want to be part of this crowd?
Because this is our industry.
Together, we are the earth shape.
Ripple creating.
Hands-on.
Won't take no for an answer.
Roll up our sleeves.
Get the job done crowd.
Working at Ayers means working for your neighborhood.
Working for your town.
We will recreate.
We will rebuild.
We will redefine.
Let's get to work.
Apply today.
Live today.